Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an attendance tracker using your Google form. That way when your employee gets to work, they get to scan the QR code and you have the data straight into your Google Sheet without you writing a line of code, without you spending anything. So the first thing to do is to come into your Gmail account. When you come to your Gmail account, at the right corner we have the Google Apps. Click on Google Apps, scroll down, then you will see forms. When you get to forms, click on forms. Then the next page that loads, just so you get to select a blank form, that is, you want to create a new form from scratch. Click on blank form. Once that is done, then you get to set how your form will look like. So I'm going to give my form a title now. So I'll just say attendance filling for the type your name. Yeah. So beside it, where we have the multi-choice, we'll click on it and select short answer. Because just wanted to put in their name. Then I'll mark it as required. That is compulsorily they must fill it. So if you have some other questions or some other things you want to add to that form, click the plus here. You see, get to have another section. But I'm just going to be using just one. I just want to show you how to add more section. So I'll delete that. So once this is done, I'll come down to responses. On the left we have link to sheets. I'll click on it. Just have to ensure that you link it to a Google Sheet. So while that is loading, I'll come back to settings. Under settings, I'll come to responses. Click on it. Collect email address. You can leave it as do not collect, but I'll set mine to verified. Yeah. So another thing I'll also make sure is require signing limits to one response. At least one person can only list to one response. Limits to one response. Then I'll ensure it's just one response. So the next thing I'll do is under the presentation, we have the confirmation message. So I'll edit it and put in my own message that says your has been recorded, and I'll save it. So that's it. After saving it, then I'll click on publish. You say I have this copy responder link, then I'll copy the link. Then I will head straight to this website, qr.io. qr.io. Then you are going to click on create QR code. Create QR code. Then under the choose your QR code type, I'll click on website because that's what I wanted to link them to that form. It's called the URL, so I'll say to your website. Then the link that I copied earlier, I'll paste it here. And I'll click on continue. So when I get to this page, I'll just choose the kind of frame that I want. Here you can choose how the frame will look like. Here you get to select the color of the background, the border that you want to add to the code. So this way you get to set everything. Alright, and also if you want to include your logo to the QR code, all you have to do is upload logo. Then you upload the logo file that you want. So after this, I'm going to download. Click on continue here and click on continue. Alright, so this is the QR code I've just created just now. So I'm going to download it. I'll download it as PNG. Then I'll open it. Alright, so now I'm going to scan it on my phone so you get to see how it works. Alright, now so I'll open my smart scanner on my mobile phone now, and I'll scan the QR code that will just create. I say tap here to go to the website, or just to click on it. So I'll let it load. So alright, you can see, type in your name. Record Tayo Goodness as the email to be included with my response. Because I click on verified, That is why this is showing. So I'll just mark it. And here it says type in your name. I'll just put in my name and says, and I'll click on submit. See, attendance tracker, your attendance has been recorded. So I'm now going to go back to the Excel sheet on my system so you get to see how it is being recorded live. Alright, so can you see this is my Excel sheet now? Automatically it's showing us type in your name, email address, and you see we have the times. Oh, this is supposed to be timestamp. Times stamp. It's supposed to be the time, so you can see this is the time that I scan the QR code, my name, and my email address. So this is exactly how to create an attendance tracker using your Google form. Until next time, thank you. Bye bye.